we approach the city, please note to the left of the train car, you will see 3 church buildings. The first church building that you will see as we approach the city will be the Claxton Primitive Baptist Church, founded in 1909. That's just before Evans County became Evans County from Patton.
I don't see any churches.
I believe the front of the train should be approaching the rear of the Claxton Coca-Cola Bottling Company. There will be not much view for you to see of the bottling company, but it was founded in 1916, just after Evans County was formed. Keep in mind the first church, the Primitive Baptist Church. Second, you will see the First United Methodist Church. It was founded in 1894. This is coming up on your left. And then the third church is Claxton First Baptist Church that was founded in 1895. Note again, these 3 churches were all founded when this was Tattnall County.
I don't see it.
As we pass the churches, please give notice to the renovation in progress of the historic Toast Theater adjacent to Claxton Bakery. The Toast Bakery and Theater were established by an Italian immigrant, S.G. Toast. The bakery was built in 1910, the theater built in 1927. At the outbreak of World War II in 1941, Toast changed the theater's name from the Italian Garden Theater to the Toast Theater. The bakery went on to become the home of world-famous Claxton fruitcake. Toast's contributions to school, church, and civic improvement are legendary. Mr. Toast also operated theaters in nearby Pembroke, Collins, and Reedsville, and also a movie drive-in on Highway 301 here in Claxton. Everyone should be seeing the churches I mentioned on the left, followed by the Toast Theater and the Claxton Bakery.
That's the churches that we're talking about.
As we pass those historic sites, please note the beautiful Evans County Courthouse and the great landscaping that has just been completed. The courthouse was built in 1922 and finished in 1923. It is a landmark for the county and on the National Register of Historic Places. This neoclassical building on Claxton's Courthouse Square was designed by J.J. Baldwin and constructed by West Point Ironworks for the cost of $60,000. Yes, $60,000 for this fabulous building. J.J. Baldwin was a noted architect who designed buildings in North and South Carolina, Tennessee and Florida, and also here in Georgia. He was the architect for 11 courthouses in Georgia, all on the National Historic Register.
Hey, we passed there once.
As we approach downtown Claxton, let me note the tall building on the right near Highway 301 is the King White Building, and that is the tallest and most distinguished building in town in 1914. It became our first courthouse until the track structure was built. Note the brick columns and arches in the upper floor. The lower floor was a general store. The upper floor was later used as a doctor's office for Dr. Ben Daniel. Just in front of that building once sat the Claxton Railroad Depot. As with the other railroad stations in the county, a large group of people were present there to meet the train. Some people boarded or disembarked from the train, and others were there to pick up mail or freight. However, for the many hustle and bustle provided an interesting social event and free entertainment.